Okay. Let's
Okay.
go ahead. Let's talk about new task. Yeah.
Okay. So for the new task, I'm sorry. So actually now only Ainur can do it, right? So I'll post a task in on the Google Drive, right? But guys, you need to uh, get this file from the domain controller.
Yeah,
So
we need. I mean, like just to clarify, I already like did similar projects in my work at work, but it was not realistic. It's more like small labs. Yeah. So I did hashing, dehashing, all this stuff. Also, NTDS, everything I did. So it's like I know, but I need to solve my problem with DC. If you, Kostya, can help, can you try one day create?
yeah, 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 definitely, yeah. I'll help you with this.
Mhm.
Probably is the issue with the ISO file. I'll check. But
Now, Len, you have
I'm
a
not.
problem to install the DC or to install Windows
Yeah,
Server?
to install DC role domain controller role on the Windows server. So
Yeah.
Well,
for some reason, he get requested a safe mode password.
uh,
Yeah.
well, I also tried to install, for example. Well, one day it's actually also doesn't work for me. I can't install the DC, but then I tried via command line.
Mhm.
But then I tried just to reinstall it with graphic
Mhm.
Windows Server with graphics. So then it works good. I could install it via
Mhm.
like normal user, like с
Okay.
использованием графической оболочки, в общем.
Mhm.
Попробуйте установить Windows
С графики.
с графикой, да, и там уже легко установить. Это как более user-friendly, и там
Ну, у
просто
меня же
нажимаете.
с графикой Windows Virtual.
Да, но ты пытался с командной строки, и в командной строке у тебя вывалилась ошибка, да? Ну,
Да.
надо попробовать с графики, чтобы долго не мучиться. Ну, как бы наша не основная цель, да, установить домен-контроллер. Наша основная цель просто его иметь, чтобы там против него там
Потому
Да.
что
работать.
когда
Поэтому.
эти команды я копировал в
Ага.
CMD, то у меня тоже что-то ошибка. Потом я спрашивал чат GPT, почему не работает. Он, в общем, мне не ответил на этот вопрос. И, видимо, что-то там не поддерживает или не работает. Он команды, по-моему, не узнавал там даже.
Да. Ну, у меня вроде получилось. У меня графики до сих пор нет на лаптопе.
Yeah,
Ну, надо попробовать.
can you try this virtual DC? Try to raise, try virtual server and what Kostya will share. Try to raise your DC on that. If you can do it, then you can share it. Because
Okay, I will try it. But it's actually when you have графическую оболочку, you
interface,
can
virtual.
interface. Yes, graphic interface. You can actually it's simple tutorials on YouTube how to install it. I can
Okay.
send you tutorial as well if you want.
Okay. Let me check that too.
But I will try it on the Konstantin machine as well. Konstantin.
Константин, у меня вопрос.
Ага.
А это обязательно должен быть домен-контроллер? Допустим, я вот делал такую же работу, то есть эксплойт делал Linux,
Угу.
получал доступ к удаленному серверу,
Угу.
копировал shadow файл и хэшкетом перебирал хэши. То есть это как бы достаточно?
А
Или
Shadow
нужно
Files,
именно
Shadow File содержал все пароли с обычного сервера?
да, с этого хоста локальных юзеров все пароли. Хэши, захэшированные.
А, скорее всего, он содержал только локальных юзеров,
Да, локальных юзеров.
недоменных.
Недоменных, да.
Да, недоменных.
Окей.
Ну, смотрите, здесь, Бауэр, такой, да, вопрос. Доменный админ это же цель. То есть, смотрите, когда вы взламываете конкретный хост, Да, не факт, что эти же самые аккаунты у вас будут по всей сети разбросаны, да, разлиты.
Окей, я
То есть,
понял. Тогда я
да.
этот
Да,
домен
просто
контроллер.
NTDS файл,
Да.
он содержит как раз доменные учетки.
Там же
Да, я
еще
понял.
надо lateral movement делать, да, получается, если ты...
Если у вас будут все аккаунты, вы видите, что RDP открыт, у вас есть аккаунты доменных админов, да, ну, вы как будто бы становитесь админом в этой компании, понимаете? Все, у админов этой компании будет то же самое, что и у вас. У вас
Окей.
есть все хосты, вы их сосканили, да, вы понимаете примерно Nmap, какие у вас хосты активные. И у вас есть шифрованные пароли с именами. Все, что еще нужно для того, чтобы управлять серверами? Больше ничего. Ну, как бы это такое, да, знаете, exercise. Да, вы можете с локальной машины тоже вытаскивать пароли, можете там мимикации использовать, да, вытаскивать с конкретного хоста. Но здесь именно прелесть в том, что здесь сидят учетки, которые можно использовать даже на локальных компьютерах, потому что локальные компьютеры, как бы являясь частью домена, да, они вам позволят, как бы, точнее, вы сможете на них залогиниться с доменными учетками, понимаете, даже не зная локальных учеток. Вот такой момент. А вообще, да, ну, как бы эксплойты, которые там локальные учетки там перебирают. Сам процесс, получается, перебирания у вас уже был, да?
Да. Я просто вчера только поднял домен контроллер и
Ну вот,
все
это
это
был...
время пытался подобрать к нему эксплойт, чтобы забрать NTDS. То есть я не предполагал, что можно так.
А, я понял. Не, хорошо, а получилось у вас?
Что именно? Заэксплодить? Нет. Нет
Эксплойте,
еще.
да. Как правило, когда на самом домене уже сидят, даже обычный антивирус не дает этого сделать. То есть, когда пробираются на домен контроллеров, прежде всего там выключают Defender, да, или какой-то другой сторонний антивирус,
Защиту.
потому что они блокируют эти действия. Потому что это четкое показание, что вас ломают. И в обычной жизни, как бы, да, люди, админы, они этим не занимаются. Я, например, делаю для того, чтобы просто,
Костя,
допустим,
там
проводить аудит.
обещал одному парню, у меня вот, который здесь с Хьюстоном, записи дать, поэтому почаще переводите на...
По-английски?
Да, да.
Okay. So local accounts, it's a different task. If you will able to get an NTDS file via exploits, it will be great actually. But based on my practice, even endpoint security will not allow to get this data, right? So you have to deactivate endpoint security first and then run this command. In my practice, I'm doing this exercise on quarterly basis just to verify if admins change password constantly. I mean, on quarterly basis, right? So how I can check if, for instance, admin number one change domain admin accounts at least once a month or whatever password policy you have, right? Let's say we have a password policy to change admin domain password at least once in a quarter, right? So every 3 months, admins should go and change a password, right? But problem of the Windows is if you are admin, if you are domain admin, you can go directly to the domain controller and you can change the password from the domain controller itself, right? This will allow you to bypass all your policy. I mean, you can set up the same password which you have like last time, right? So, but password policy will say you don't use, let's say, last 3 passwords. So history of the password will be verified and system will not allow you to use the previous password, last 3 previous passwords, right? If you will do it in normal way, I mean, via remote desktop, for instance, remote desktop client, right? You can click control alt delete and change your password, right? In normal way. So your password will expire, system will prompt you to change a password. So you will do it via remote desktop client. So it will be totally fine. The system will verify your history and complexity and everything, right? But if you will go directly to the domain controller, you can change your password on the existing one. So you can simply just repeat your password, which is absolutely not acceptable, right? So just for precaution, I'm just go to the domain controller, get the hashes. I didn't decrypt it. It's not allowed, right? Even I can, because I shouldn't know the passwords, right? But what I did is I just compare hashes. If hashes are the same, that means that admins didn't change password properly. You know what I mean? So this is a very, very tricky exercise from the admins. They can do it because they have a rights, but we need to verify them. That's why the security admins usually as a, play like an enemy role of IT. You know what I mean? So they really hate us because we are control them. We are able to control them, and this is like it's not like a beauty of this field, I would say, right? Everybody just hate you because you can catch them, right? So they don't follow the policy, company policy, and then finally they will be fined, yeah, somehow, right? So but we have to do it. Unfortunately, people are lazy. Everybody lazy. They just looking for easiest way to live, right? And they just replace a password for the existing one because they don't want to memorize everything. Every 3 months memorize the password. So that's why we have to check it. Can you imagine if you will have like a 10 admins, right? How you can check them, how you can trust them, right? So you need to verify. How you can verify it? You can simply just get this file, compare the hashes, and see if history it contains the same hashes. That means admins or whoever just replace password on the same password every time. So it's not acceptable. It's kind of like it's like a defensive stuff, right? So if you guys look after and you look after your infrastructure, I mean from the security standpoint, so you have to do it. It's like a password audit, very simple, right? But if you will just think about it, it's not like simple enough to check. If I will see, so Daulian changed password, so I can see in history password was changed, right? But to what password Daulian changed it, right? So you cannot check it. So you need to see at least hashes, right? But in general, so if you will be able to decrypt the password from the hash, it's a standard procedure for red teaming, right? For instance, some exploits allow you to catch the hashes on the online session. It's not necessary to generate some file and go somewhere and get convert this file from some system files, right? Like we are doing right now. So sometimes you can catch the hashes from the online session, and you can immediately just copy this hash and decrypt it to the password. For instance, in TLM version 2 hash, you can grab them during the penetration testing itself, right? So next step, guys. So we need. Oh, yeah. Hi. What is his name? So let's fix the issue. So once we will fix the issue with the domain controller, guys, you will be able to play with the server as well. If someone don't have a domain controller yet, right? So you will able to log into the server and get this file from us, right? So for that, please send me emails. I will send you an invitation, so you will be able to log in and see the servers, right? This is actually easiest way. But yeah, first of all, yeah, we need to fix issue with the domain controller. I'll do it. And what else? So I'll create some users. Actually, guys, I wanted to you will practice this as well. So let's say once we will fix the issue with the domain controller, guys, everybody will create your own account, right? I'll send the admin password for this server to everyone. It's a lab. It's absolutely secure. I mean, it's not secure, but it's absolutely fine if everybody will see the password, admin password. So you will log in as an admin and create your own account. Okay. So let's play this game. So everybody will create your own account and escalate privilege of this account to the administrators, right? So this means you have to put your account to the administrator group and domain admins group as well. So this way we will have like, so how many people we have? Like 5 people right now. So we will have at least 5 accounts, right? Then we will extract NTDS file and convert it to the TXT file, right? And with the in Packet with a secure dump Python script, right? And then yeah, I'll publish the task for the Hashcat, right? So Hashcat you can install on your Linux machine locally, and then you will use this TXT file to decrypt the hashes, password hashes, right? So ideally you will get another text file with a login name and passwords, not hashes but passwords. Okay, so this will be a result, and this will be how we can assess it. So I'll write down the tasks for the next week. So first step, it's a fixed issue without domain controller on the lab. So everybody will get access to this lab, create the account. I will share the admin account and admin password with you. You will log in with these credentials and then create your own account, right? And then we will generate the NTDS file and extract it with the NTDS utils, right? So Alnur, if even you've done this already, so please join to this exercise and create your own account as well, right?
Mhm.
And if you will just stuck somewhere with the students, so probably you can help us. So I can do it, but I wanted to,
Okay,
you know,
okay,
you
okay.
guys will do it by your own, because I already did, right? So I have a NTDS file from my own DC controller, but yeah, I wanted to you will play with that, right? So what we can do actually, it's not right like mandatory to create this, you know, NTDS file once, right? So whoever will create an account, your own account, and escalate privilege for this account to the admins, domain admins and administrators, you can generate the NTDS files with your account only, right? And use it. And whoever will just create a new account later on can generate another NTDS files, right? So it will be like a different version of the NTDS files, but it will contain a different number of users. So then, we can
But
play
it's gonna
with
be
this.
one domain controller,
Yeah,
yeah?
it will be one domain controller with a different number of users, I would say, and NTDS file will be different for everyone. So we can play this way as well. But eventually, yeah, probably as a final step, we will create like a final NTDS files, and we will compare the results, so we can share the results between us, right, and see the progress, right, how NTDS file was updated, right, by us. But yeah, I think this is enough for a week. It's actually too much, guys.
Yeah.
So yeah. Let me formalize the task, and yeah, you will just practice your skills. It's actually a very good one. So, and Tailscale, guys, it's as I said, please create your account with the Tailscale and send me emails, and I'll send you invitation for the servers, so you will able to log into the servers. Okay, one server and one workstation. Okay.
Sounds
Sorry,
good.
So I think
could I just ask? So I need just to log in with your password and your
yeah.
name
So,
and create DC here. Yeah.
yeah, you can create DC, but
Or
He
maybe
I
I
can
did.
create DC as
Kostya,
well.
when
But
I joined, I didn't ask any password. I just joined.
really, okay. But probably during
I
the
joined with my Google account, so it let me go
no,
straight
yeah.
through.
So you create your Tailscale account, right? And whenever I will send you invitation. So use your credentials, your Google account authentication, right? And you should see my server in your Tailscale profile.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
So everybody
can I
should
just
see.
so basically I
only-
just have to share my email.
Correct. Yeah. Just send me email and I'll send you an invitation via my consult. So this way I will share my servers, not all of them, because yeah, I have 5, but I'll send only Windows machines to you. So yeah, if you will stuck somewhere, just let me know. On top of this, we need to install VNC client for that. So the RDP client is not working for this lab. I already tested, but we found the way so we can use a VNC client instead. Okay, and it's working. So Dowlen already tried. So it's like RDP client. So you will log into the server and get
And
access.
also, you need this like remote control software.
Client.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, VNC client. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So I think that's it, guys, for today. Oh, thank you, Sergio. Yeah, I'll send you. Yes, send me your emails and to the Telegram, right? And I'll send the invitation for you. Okay.
Guys, yeah, Kostya, I want to say like what we are doing right now is such a great things. I really enjoy. It's very useful. Very useful.
Yeah, it's regardless of what you guys will get from this course. All this stuff is actually new for me. Tailscale is amazing stuff. I learned a lot during this exercise as well. It's very good, and I found that the guys who just making this startups and create virtual environment in the world where the AWS and Azure exist already. They want to compete with them. Can you
Yeah, ask
imagine
him, Kostya,
how crazy they are?
Can you ask him? I can make post about this project, his project. It's a cool project.
Okay, yeah, it's a good idea. Actually,
Check-
guys,
check
if you
with-
just think about what you need, like for temporarily, just let them know. I mean, you can communicate with them directly and ask them the price and everything. You can negotiate with them. It's actually
No,
no.
you-
I mean,
you
it's a
talk to
guy.
him.
It's a guy from Kazakhstan, and yeah,
No,
actually
I
he's
just wanted to make a blog post about this project, which sounds like a cool project. If
Mhm.
they're open for that, we can.
Price wise, I think it's just $5 a month. So I
Really?
just checked on the website.
Which website?
for
Tell?
Tailscale.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They have different plans. So
No, Tailscale should be
the
free.
minimum is it is a free one, yeah, and the one next to it, the other plan, it is I think $5 a month.
Yeah. It's for business or something like. But again, Sergio, please don't confuse. Tailscale is not a project. It's like a VPN solution for us. It's not related to these guys who provide a server. It's a two different thing.
Yeah, okay.
So, okay, we will not go to pay Tailgate. We can use the free one because it's more than enough for us. So Tailscale will allow us just to get access to our physical machines, not physical, but virtual machines. But virtual machine is not on Tailscale. Tailscale is a different company. It's a third party. They provide only VPN access for us. Okay, but the guys who provide the servers itself, they are different. I will find out the name. Actually, they name it very interesting. It's not like a name. It's like an abbreviation of something. It's like, I don't know, CNB or something like that. Okay, I'll find out what.
So they will probably be bought in a couple of years from Amazon for a couple of billions.
Yes. This is the goal, right? But for now, they're very. I mean, it should be budget. Very budget company. How to say in English? Very low cost company. I mean, it should be affordable for everyone.
Okay.
Right.
Even Apple is starting in a garage, isn't it?
Correct.
Okay, guys.
So we are in good position to try everything for free, and we will make a decision together, right? For me, for instance, if I need, some, test lab and install some servers, instead of buy it, I can, rent from them for a week or two, test everything and close it, It's very good. I mean, no any free tier on AWS will allow me to do so. It's very, how to say, low power machine on Amazon. It's very slow. Whatever is free, it's very slow. It's like, I don't know, it's like workstation. You know that, right? But it is really powerful machine. It's like 4 processors, I think 16 gigabytes of RAM. You can play with this.
That's good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, guys, I think that's it for today. And give me an emails and I'll do it during the day. I'll send you an invitation. once you'll get emails from you, and we'll post the task for the next week. Okay.
Bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank
Cool.
you very much.
Thank you, guys.